Hello students, today we will solve exercise 3.5 which is given in page number 62, and question number 1 is check given equations has unique solution, no solution or infinite solution. And if an equation is having unique solution, you have to find the solution by using cross multiplication method. And first part of this question is x minus 3y minus 3 equals 0, 3x minus 9y minus 2 equals 0. As we know student, for unique solution a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. For no solution a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. And for many infinitely many solution a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. So for checking the given equation has unique, no or infinitely many solution, first we will find a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. Here as you can easily see, the value of a1 is here, coefficient of x from first equation is 1, b1 equal minus 3, coefficient of y from this first equation, and c1 equal minus 3. a2 equal 3, b2 equal minus 9, c2 equal minus 2. Then we will find a1 upon a2 which is equal to 1 upon 3, b1 upon b2 equals to minus 3 upon minus 9 which is equal to 1 by 3. And after that we will find c1 upon c2 which is equal to minus 3 upon minus 2 which is equal to 3 upon 2. As you can easily see here student, the value of a1 upon a2 is equal to the value of b1 upon b2. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to the value of c1 upon c2, not equal to c1 upon c2. So which condition is satisfying? No solution. So given equation has no solution, and if any equation has no solution, no need to apply any method. Second part is 2x plus y equal 5, 3x plus 2y equal 8. Again we have to check the given pair of linear equation has no solution, unique solution or infinitely many solution. So first we will convert this given equation into standard form. 2x plus y minus 5 will equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. Then we will compare the coefficient of x, coefficient of y and constant term, and we will get a1 equal 2, b1 equal 1 and c1 equal minus 5. From second equation a2 equal 3, b2 equal 2 and c2 equal minus 8. Then you can easily see here a1 upon a2 will equal 2 upon 3 and b1 upon b2 is equal 1 upon 2. Here both the values are not equal, so a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2. So given equation has which solution? Unique solution. Since here the value of a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, as we know a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then given equation has unique solution. So for this question now we will apply cross multiplication and we will find the value of x and y. So by cross multiplication method, how we will solve this question by cross multiplication? For that first we will arrange the coefficient of x, y and constant term in such a manner x upon, we will write behind this x the coefficient of y and constant term. Here the coefficient of y are 1 and 2. So first we will write 1 and then 2. And then constant term -5 -8. And behind y we will write constant term and coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is here 2, 3. And 1 upon, behind this one we will write coefficient of x and coefficient of y. It means 1 upon 2. Just remember this process, student. Now just you have to multiply this coefficient using cross multiplication method. So x upon 1 into -8 we will get -8. In between minus sign, 5 into -5 we will get -10. Then y upon -5 into 3 -15 -8 into 2 we will get -16 equals to 1 upon 2 2s are 4 -1 -3 into 1 we will get 3. Next step, x upon -8 minus plus 10 equal y upon -15 plus 16 equal 1 upon 1. Next step, x upon 2 equal y upon 1 equal 1 upon 1. Now we have to find the value of x and y. So we will compare this first and last term. X upon 2 equal 1 upon 1, and when you cross multiply you will get x equal 2. And when you compare this y upon 1 equal 1 upon 1, you will get y equal 1. So for this equation the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1. Let's check our answer is correct or not. If we substitute in first equation is your 2x plus y. If we substitute in place of x 2 and in place of 1, we will get 4 plus 1 which is equal to 5. As you can see here, in first equation also right hand side is 5 and we also get 5. It means our answer is correct. Third part is 3x minus 5y equal 20, 6x minus 10y equal 40. Again first we will convert this equation into standard form. Then we will get 3x minus 5y minus 20 equals 0. 6x minus 10y minus 40 equal 0. Then we will find a1 which is 3, b1 which is minus 5 and c1 constant term is minus 20. And the value of a2 is 6, b2 is minus 10 and c2 is minus 40. We will find a1 upon a2 which is equal to 3 upon 6. When you cancel out you will get 1 upon 2. b1 upon b2 equal minus 5 upon minus 10 which is equal to 1 upon 2. And c1 upon c2 equal minus 20 upon minus 40, and again you will get 1 upon 2. So here a1 upon a2 is also half, b1 upon b2 is also half, and c1 upon c2 is also half. It means a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. As we know, for infinite many solution, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. So the given equations has infinite many solutions. Let's solve this fourth part also. X minus 3y minus 7 equals 0, 3x minus 3y minus 15 equals 0. Already this equations is in standard form, no need to convert it. Directly we will find a1 is 1, b1 is here -3, and c1, it means constant term, is here -7. a2 equal 3, b2 equal -3, and c2 equal -15. a1 upon a2, which is equal to 1 upon 3, b1 upon b2 equals to -3 upon -3, which is equal to 1, c1 upon c2 is equal to -7 upon -15, which is equal to 7 upon 15. As you can see here, student, the value of a1 upon a2 is 1 upon 3, and the value of b1 upon b2 is 1. It means a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So, given equations has which type of solution? Unique solution. And for solving this question or finding the value of x and y, now we will use cross multiplication. By cross multiplication method, first we will arrange the coefficient and constant term behind x. What we will write? The coefficient of b is here -3, and constant term -7, -15, 1, 3, and last again -3, -3. Then we will cross multiply. X upon -3 into -15, we will get 45, 7 3s are 21, y upon -7 into 3, -21, -15 into 1, we will get -15, which will convert into plus 1 upon 1 into -3, -3, 3 3s are 9, -9. It means minus plus. Next step, x upon 45 minus 21, what we will get? 24, equal to y upon -21 plus 15, what we will get, student? -6, 1 upon 6. Now for finding the value of x, we will compare these two terms and we will get x upon 24 equal 1 upon 6, x equal 24 upon 6, and your answer, the value of x is 4. Now we will find y. Y upon -6 equal 1 upon 6, y equal -6 upon 6, which is equal -1. So the value of x is 4 and the value of y is -1. You can again check your answer is correct or not by substituting these values in the given equations.